channel. It's been a long time, you feel me? A goodie like 3 weeks. I feel like a long time. That's bad. I shouldn't be doing that. Yeah. Y'all probably like, what's up with you? Like, what you doing? Like, stay consistent. I need to start. But yeah, as y'all can see by the title, you know what this video gonna be about, okay? So, it is 6:08 in the morning right now. And I'm about to move my stuff in at school, set up my room before I officially move in. And then in Greensboro, so we up and we about to start getting everything ready, putting in the trunks and the cars, and we're pulling up ready. UNCG, are y'all ready? Cause yeah. And later on, I'm going to this waterfall with my friends, and then yeah, I'm gonna be out today, so I'm gonna add that in the vlog. But mainly, this is a moving day vlog that I'm doing. So yeah, y'all, stay tuned. I'll see y'all in the next clip. I don't know what it's gonna be, but I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip, okay? Okay, y'all, so we just filled up the car, and my mom's friend Aretha's coming on the way to UNCG right now. How do you feel, Mom?
Hot. Excited for you, and hopefully I don't cry when we get to the campus.
You think you're gonna cry?
I plead the fifth.
I might cry myself.
Are you done?
Okay. Yeah,
At the light, turn right onto Statesville
the
Road.
next clip. Okay, y'all, so we made it to the school.
I'm doing this so
I got
can
the key.
get
We about to unload the
dolly.
cars. That's Aretha. She looks
Miss
cute.
Aretha.
Miss Aretha. Okay, period. Give you very much window view. Okay. I can dig it. What's in here? Walk-in closet. Stop playing. They don't like that. I don't know. So that's the third year. Yeah, y'all see this? Yeah. What? Cause what? I'm out here. What? Oh. I'm tripping. Okay. Yeah. Goody walk-in closet. Goody walk-in closet. Stop playing. I guess we should. Tight in here, honey. Whoa. Only child coming to this. What am I gonna do, y'all? I don't know. Yeah. This is him. I'm scared. I don't know how I'm gonna do. See, I got my own sink, honey. But yeah, we just bringing up the stuff. I'm finna wipe down everything. Disinfectant, honey. Corona is real. People, clean yourself. But yeah, I'm about to clean up. While they bring the rest of the stuff up, I help them with most of the stuff. It's a little bit of stuff left. And yeah, I'm about to do this. So stay tuned. I don't know if we really decorating the whole room today or what. We probably are, because we can't just leave it like this. But yeah, because I don't really know if I want to leave my comforter on here while I'm gone. But I don't really care at the same time. So it's like, yeah. But yeah, see y'all in the next clip.
Go on the gray cart when it's done. this over there too, or no, I'll just leave it. Okay. That one put on top of it. Or I'll just put this in here. Huh? Well, there's this came with this. I don't know what this is. I don't know what else. That was with the fridge. You don't have to turn all that off. Turn all that off and I'm going to. Oh, okay. This is not going to go in here. Why?
So y'all, we didn't get to finish doing our room because our time slot was 8 to 11 in the morning. And then we had to like build everything, figure out what we was gonna do, lift the bed up. So yeah, but when I come back and actually stay, I'm gonna put my bed stuff on there because I didn't want to put my bed stuff on there and somebody else was gonna be in the room and just let it be here for 2 weeks dirty. I don't want to, sorry. I don't want nobody, like, I don't want dust, I don't want random stuff on my bed. So yeah. So now I'm about to clean up this trash and I don't know what we're about to do. I think we finna bring something else up here and then we're gonna be leaving. But I'm gonna do a video when I come back to school showing y'all my room and do a dorm haul where I bought some of the stuff, period. But yeah, and then later I'm gonna eat and then I go to a waterfall with Jaden, Jessica and Landon later. I'm gonna record that and then I'm going out with my friends, Maya, Malia, JB, kickback. I'm going for a period. Wait. So yeah, tune in. And y'all, I did my own hair, so cute. Comment if you want to need to drop a little hair tutorial. No makeup, honey. Period. My skin look oily. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next clip.
Hey y'all, so we on a road trip. My OG in the bed, yeah. Show 'em why you living. Yeah. Landon, get in the video. He look confused. Jessica's driving. And we have no tunes, so yeah, we about to go to this waterfall. We live. How do y'all feel?
I want some music.
Yeah, some tunes. I don't know.
We might
Yeah.
some music.
Definitely a long drive. We going to Looking Glass Falls. It's like 2 hours away. So I'm gonna get back on here when we get there.
On the way to the dentist. I ain't never leaving my bitch shit down. Why would I switch out a dime for a penny?
Go, rather drip than a deal. Hoodie saw bash on full, need somewhere to put it. Still feeding them with the
Okay, y'all, so we made it to the Jaden's tired, so at this point he ain't even energetic no more, but we made it. Oh, my light! Woo! I gotta lose his life on me. Jessica! I'm weak. Landon, get in the vlog. Do a dance or something. Jessica, dance. Yeah, that's my girl. She gonna dance. Yeah, definitely finna put on the goody water shoes. This is intense, okay, y'all? It's raining. My girl Jessica finna put on their Walmart shoes, $3. They came in clips.
Sorry, because I ain't recording for too long.
Yeah, here won't get picture done. It's great.
You know, had to, ooh. Yeah. So cute. We finna get in. As y'all can see, the buns didn't last. The buns didn't last. Okay. I couldn't vlog down there because we were gonna fall. I already fell like 2 times. And it's so cute out here.
Alright, we're getting that one, y'all.
We are?
Yeah.
So y'all, I'm back. So y'all, I had fun setting up my stuff a little bit today. I will be going back to my school August 13th. I'm out of breath. Like, whoa, why you out of breath? You're only 18, you're skinny, what's going on? But yeah, so this is gonna be the end of this video. Hopefully y'all liked it. It wasn't really too much going on in this cause this is gonna be like a moving day like vlog, but I'm doing another vlog for this weekend because this is my last weekend in Charlotte, so stay tuned for that one. And yeah, honey, video dropping back to back. I've been slacking, but I'm back. So yeah, what's up? Yeah, and I know y'all like my hair. Stop playing. Y'all see the basket? Yeah, I clean. Yeah. Let me stop, but yeah. Thank y'all for tuning in. Like, share, and subscribe. Period. If you love me, thumbs up, comment something. Interact. Period. Thanks.